There are 4 million self-hired human beings inside the UK proper now, and that they contributed 303 billion kilos to the national financial system. Do you need to be part of self-employed workforce and won't be your own boss? And paintings extra flexibly. Let's discover 5 small commercial enterprise thoughts for UK that you may begin proper away. 1. Market trader. Because the begin of COVID-19 human beings sense uncomfortable in crowded indoor areas. As a reaction to this, market stall traders are speedy performing and making it a quickest developing enterprise in UK. In step with a file, the United Kingdom financial system has witnessed a big boom in market stall traders rising via way of means of 92%. So beginning a marketplace stall may be a rewarding concept for you, but earlier than beginning a marketplace stall there are positive matters which you want to determine. Consisting of both, you will hire a stall, otherwise you possibly need to shop for a van so as to journey across the streets. Sort of product your target consumer and pricing method. A number of the well-known market fashion thoughts in UK are warm meals stalls, handcrafted rings, craft stalls, and antique garments. 2D puppy sitting. UK human beings have lengthy been referred to as the country of puppy fanatics. The quantity of latest puppy taking walks groups elevated via way of means of 22% year-on-year in step with Puppy Meals Producers Association. Because the begin of the pandemic, 2 million UK human beings have offered pets, so it is no wonder that the quantity of latest canine taking walks groups elevated via way of means of 22% year-on-year. Beginning a puppy taking walks commercial enterprise inside the UK is especially clean with low startup charges and much less danger. Apart from low startup price, puppy taking walks groups are excessive in call for due to the fact human beings visit paintings and ought to depart their pets at the back of an order that they want canine sitting offerings to preserve their pets wholesome and lively. Imparting your offerings to appearance after human beings as pets, whether or not that be via way of means of taking walks, them staying with them in a single day or for the duration of the day to preserve them, organization, or maybe taking them to the vet, is an amazing manner to earn clean cash. 1/3 baby day care offerings. Baby care offerings enterprise in UK is the 9th ranked human health and social work interest enterprise via way of means of marketplace length, with an anticipated boom charge of 24.8. Daycare offerings are excessive in call for in UK, often due to the fact mother and father are operating and that they need their youngsters to have a stable and academic surroundings of their absence. Our baby care commercial enterprise can effortlessly be commenced in your private home with a modest quantity of startup coins, and because the commercial enterprise grows, you may pass to an industrial website online. 4th. Domestic baking in UK. Among 2020 and 2021, the quantity of home baking groups elevated via way of means of 53%. The biggest upward push turned into in South Central England, with a boom charge of 49, accompanied via way of means of the Midlands, with 47 boom, Northern Ireland with 47 boom, and London grew via way of means of 15%. Whether or not it's miles of festival occasion or every other gathering events, human beings want to have a good time, and no occasion is entire without desserts and snacks. In case you are top at baking, beginning a small-scale bakery may be the nice commercial enterprise to begin. It is clean to installation and run and has amazing capacity for excessive income and boom. 5th. E-trade shop. The UK is the 4th biggest e-trade market inside the international, with a turnover of around 105. Style is the biggest phase inside the UK and debts for 31% of its e-trade revenue, accompanied via way of means of toys, interests, and DIY with 19, electronics and media with 18, meals and private care 17, and furnishings and home equipment making up the final 15%. of e-trade groups are clean, initially low startup charges and much less danger. Behavior of marketplace studies approximately aggressive charge and product call for buy the inventory at your margin and begin promoting merchandise. But while beginning e-trade commercial enterprise, you've got alternatives. Release your internet site or begin promoting on UK huge marketplaces, consisting of Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Wayfair. The largest benefit of promoting product in this platform is that they've a huge and lively target market base. If you want this video and need to get extra beneficial thoughts in one of a kind fields of lifestyles, then like and join our